Evolve was a lockdown project that just grew. I had a business partner when we started. The day we decided to work with Pipedrive, they raised £750 million, became a unicorn, so a valuation over £1 billion. Now, I knew what that meant. I wanted to build the most trusted Pipedrive partner globally in the English-speaking language from that moment. And it's been a wild ride since, right? So we scaled to 10 people in hiring one person a month in the first year. We started the Evolve Pipedrive podcast, interviewing billion-pound founders, having multiple award-winning authors on the podcast, capturing founder stories. That's the whole reason we did that. So we wanted to continue to learn and share it with the Pipedrive audience because we believed in the platform. It was easy to use, it can scale. As other systems like HubSpot are looking to move upstream to things like Salesforce, we believed in Pipedrive. It's easy to use nature, and it connected to so many apps and has really great kind of APIs. We can now build some really cool apps within it, and that's the story so far.